Hello everyone. Today's video is about how we can highlight someone in a group photo. So this is just a sample that I have right now, so I will start from the scratch on how I made it this way. So this is the original photo that I have. I just grabbed it from the internet. So there are two ways, there are simple ways to do it. So the first thing you have to do to highlight someone, a simple method, is about making a new layer. So clicking this one here will make a new layer. Click this one. So you will have the transparent layer right now, which is called layer 1. So this is the layer 1 and 0. So in here you have to get to the bucket and fill that particular thing, but make sure to fill it with the color that you want. So to make it a little bit stand out, so you have to look for a gray color. So which is in here. I already have the default one, so you just choose whatever color that makes it a little bit darker. Click that one and click this bucket, then fill that particular layer just added. So right now it's going to be nothing, you cannot see anything there. So what you will do right now is right click into this and go to the blending options. In the blending options right now, you can now adjust the opacity of this. Alright, so you can adjust that one, so make it 50. If you want to make it more stand out, it will be like this way. So the way you do it, it's your choice, so it's your preference on what number. So let's just make it 50% right now. So clicking OK will do nothing about it, but now you have this particular options called elliptical marquee tool. Click this one here, and then which portion you want to highlight. Example, this person here. So you just have to do it like this way, but make sure it is the layer 1 being selected. Alright, on your keyboard, just press the delete button and you can see right now that that person is being highlighted. So that is one way of making it into a standout, or making the person stand out with the rest of the person on the group. So this is very important if you want to highlight someone. So this is just a simple method on how to do it. So second step, or second method, is a little bit complicated, but I will teach you because this is actually more professional to do it. So how we can do it is just remove first the layer we have done. Alright, so focus on this particular layer that we have right now. Now zoom in. You can zoom in that one by pressing the ALT button and just roll the mouse, the middle mouse. Now this person here we have to highlight. So by clicking this one, it's called the pen tool. Click this one, the first one. Now select the portion where you want to highlight. So let me just, you don't have to be more precise actually when highlighting. You can actually make use of the magnetic lasso also, but I just love to use this pen tool. Alright, so clicking this one here, click the portion where you want to highlight. You can curve this way. Now if you want to change the point, just hold ALT and press back the thing, so like this way. So let me just do it. You don't have to be more precise right now. So holding ALT button will allow you to go back to the point, because if you will not, so it will make a curve here. So what you will do, hold ALT to bring back to the area. Alright, this way. So again, you don't have to be more precise right now because this is just a highlighting part. Alright, let me just speed up this area here so that we can finish it faster. So I'm selecting the whole body of the person to have this particular picture we have. So it's your preference if you want to be more precise on this, or just make it this way. Now the selection is okay. I already have her selected in the group. So what I will do right now is just simply right click and then make the selection. So it will be selected. If you want to add feather to enhance the side of the photo, do it, or leave it without, that will do. Alright, then what you will do right now, click this one here, this magnetic lasso tool, because we want to make a copy of the layer. So right now I have already two, the one with her alone there and with the group. So what you should do right now is simply add a new layer. Alright, add a new layer here. So put that layer that you added in the middle between, alright, between the one we just made, which is this one here, and the original photo. So the same method, what you will do is fill this one with a gray color so that she will stand out, and then right click into it and then go back again to the same method, blending option, where you can change the opacity. So right now you can see exactly what's gonna happen here. So this is what we are trying to do. So a little bit off because I'm doing it in a rush way. So that's how we do it. So if you want to make it more, it's your choice here. So that's how we do it. Now if you want to add more enhancement into it, you can see some colors of the the background, even though they already not highlighted. So if you wanted to, you can also click the image, make sure the layer 0 is selected, where you can go to the image and then adjustment. So I love to do this one by using the black and white. So if you observe right now, actually she's more enhanced compared to the rest. So that's how we do it. That's how we can highlight a person in a group photo. So again, there are two ways. You can do that method, or you can simply just play with this method, an easy way for you to do it. So it's your choice on how you want to do it. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you will like and subscribe as I am trying to grow the community. Good day everyone. Bye.